Welcome to another video in the Shotcut Video Editing series. I'm Joe, your tech handyman. In this video, I will show you how to create YouTube shorts using Shotcut Video Editor. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. If you're ready, let's dive right in. So guys, open your Shotcut editor this way, and then in the project name section you can write in the name of this project. In this case, I want to write YouTube short for the purpose of this particular video, like so. So once done, click on this video mode. It's actually on automatic. So when you click on it, scroll down to non-broadcast, and then from the drop down, go all the way down to vertical 60 fps. So once done, just click on start. Now go to your system, the open file, like so, and then bring in the video that you want to work on. So immediately you can see the screen orientation of this video. It's for shorts, but then you have a problem, and the problem right here is this dark black solid black color, and the video sitting the way it's sitting. So I'm going to show you how to do this. First thing, drag it to the playlist and then bring it to the timeline. Then once you bring the video to the timeline, that means you are ready to work on it. Select it and go to filters. So once you click on filters, click on the plus button and then scroll down to where you have size, position and rotate, like so. So once you select it, then the zoom, you have to increase the zoom. Keep your eyes on the video, how it's responding to the zoom, and you can see everything is fixed and is zooming perfectly to fit that shot orientation as it is now vertically. Now this is how the video will sit, and then if I play it, it might not be smooth, but of course when I render this video it will play way smoother than it is. But basically you can see that the orientation is actually for that of short videos, YouTube shorts that is. Now you use this control to move the video around in this same space. You know, you can use the control to move it around, whether you want to move it to the right or to the left, and then the moment you play, you keep moving it around to ensure you have that perfect fit, you know, depending on how you want it to be centralized on it. So if I play, this is how it plays. It's fixed in the middle and then it's ready to go as a YouTube short, you know, like you're recording it vertically on your phone, just like so. Now this works on any how you recorded this video, whether you use the portrait, the landmark, the square, I mean as at the time you recorded it. So once you use this method, it's going to come out this way. Now if I export this video real quick, I'm going to show you how it will play. So this is exactly how it will play. You can see it plays nicely, just like your normal YouTube short. It's all about you using the control I showed you earlier to position it the way you want, you know, to be sure that everything is perfectly centralized. And then don't care about the dark colors to the right and left. Once you move it, it will not show that way. So this is how it plays. It plays this way, and then it is ready for you to upload as YouTube short, you know. So easy to do, in Shotcut, so easy to do, I have to tell you. So guys, I would like I always do say, take your time out and see what you can make of this this particular method, and then thank you for watching. See you in the next video.